funky.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jackie, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my SNS nails at home. I haven't been able to go to the nail salon to get my nails done because of quarantine, so I decided to learn how to do it myself. So with that said, let's get started with this video. As you guys can see here, I made a simplified list of all the steps that I'm going to be following. So the first thing I'm doing here is pushing back my cuticles and filing my nails. So I'm taking this Sally Hansen nail cuticle remover and applying it all over my nails to push back my cuticles and to cut them. And then I'm also taking this nail file and shaping my nails to my liking. I'm just prepping my nails before applying any product. And I just want to take the time to mention that I am in no way, shape, or form an expert at this. It's just a hobby for me and I really enjoy doing it. And I've gotten a lot better with practice, so yeah. So here I'm taking the base bond and I'm also taking this clear powder and applying it to my nails. So you want to make sure that you apply a generous and even amount of base bond onto your nail. Then I'm dipping the nail at a 45-degree angle just to make sure that I cover my whole nail with the clear powder. And then I go and tap my nail from the back. I flick it a few times to remove any excess powder that I have. But yeah, and then I repeat this step on every single nail. Now, after I'm done with every single nail, I'm going in with this big fluffy brush that I bought from Dollar Tree. I'm just removing all the excess powder from my nails. And you also just want to make sure that your nails are kind of dry at this point. You don't want to do it immediately after you dipped your nails, because if not, it's going to remove what you just applied. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Now for the fun part, I'm taking this cotton candy shade. This is the one I picked out from the website and I absolutely love it. It's a very neutral pink color, and I'm taking this and the base bond once again and applying it to my nails. So I'm going to be doing the same thing I did before with the clear color. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of base bond all over my nail, and then I'm dipping my nail at a 45-degree angle and tapping off the remaining powder on my nail. And then I'm going to do this to the rest of my nails. And I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I am only doing my right hand on camera just to save some time. So this is how my nails turned out after my first coat, and I'm just gonna go back and repeat the same steps again with the base bond and the dip powder. So yeah. And just like that, we have our second coat on, and this is how they turned out. And I'm just using my brush and removing the extra powder from my nails. And now I'm going to be taking this solidify, and this is what is going to bring all of our layers together. So I'm going to be applying a generous amount onto my nails, and I'm going to let them dry for 3 minutes just to make sure that my nails have hardened before I start buffing and filing them again. Now I'm using my nail file, and here I'm just going through my nails. I'm buffing them and I'm filing them again and making sure that they're not very thick. And ideally you would want to use a buffing block for this step, but I don't have one, so I used what I had, and that was a nail file, but it worked perfectly fine regardless. But I feel like if I would have had a buffing block, that would have been so much faster. Okay, so after filing, this is how my nails looked, and I just went ahead and washed my hands and removed all of the dust and powder that I had accumulated all over my nails and made sure that they were clean before applying a top coat. And as you guys see here, I'm using this OPI top coat, and I'm applying 2 coats of this. And that was the final step, guys. I am so happy on how they turned out. And like I mentioned, I've done this a couple more times and I've gotten a lot better with it. But this is how the nails turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys want me to film more nail videos, let me know down in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!